guys, welcome back to Oak Brothers Garage. Today is the day. I finally waited this day for a half a year. I'm on my way to hometown to transport Porsche to the welding shop. My friend father called me earlier today that, hey man, it's finally the day, bring your Porsche here and I will start working on it, because as you know, my door sills is absolutely rusted. So if you didn't saw this episode, link down below, check it out. So now I will pick my Porsche, transport it to his shop, and we will see what's going on next there. I hope in a month everything could be done. Then we will start thinking about paint jobs and all the stuff. So let's go and see what's going to happen next. Is finally on the trailer and we are ready to move to a welding shop. Stay tuned. As you can see, work is in progress. So also you see holes in all the floor to the front. The red marks you see, it's also the welded part. So something is done from the front. Now we need to understand what we can do here. Biggest issue is here, because there's a suspension part which must be absolutely rigid, re-welded. Be sure that everything is okay and ready to race. So that's a small progress.